Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a restriction. When you log into OpsMan, click the Setup tab and then Restrictions Setup. It will take you to the main screen with all of your restrictions, but you want to go ahead and create a new restriction. Give your restriction a name. For example, construction. You might want to use this if your zone is going to be under construction for a set amount of time and you do not want people parking in the zone. So this restriction type is really just an internal organization field. So the parker will not see it, but this is going to be restricted. So you might say something like no parking construction zone. This is something that the parker is going to see. The default message, you could say, this lot is closed due to construction, and save. Now, I'm not sure how long the construction is going to last, so I'm going to go ahead and add a reoccurring slot. Reoccurring is something that you can set up for all week long or a specific range. So if you know that construction will not be needing the zone on the weekends, then you could say Monday to Friday. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and block out the zone for the full week. You could also say specific times if you wanted to do from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Do so. Go ahead and leave the title and message blank if you just want the original title and message that we put up here to populate. A one-time slot would be used for a holiday, for example. So say you want it to be for Thanksgiving, you can go ahead and put just that Thursday start and end date and times. Now you need to attach this to a zone or multiple zones. So I'm going to go ahead and attach it to both of these zones. And you'll do that by selecting them and clicking the arrow over to the attached box. You do not want to click the zones and spaces. You want to use either or. So since I've pulled over these two zones, it's going to include all spaces within those zones. If I wanted only specific spaces, then I would have to have this blank, and I would need to go into the specific zone and pull over the specific spaces. Maybe only these spaces will be affected. Okay, so then I'll go ahead and save. And your restriction should be set up.